Good afternoon, students. I'm Mrs. Leila Patel, Assistant Professor in LS Raheja College of Arts and Commerce. Today we are going to learn a very interesting subject, advertising. Now, can you see the two images on the PPT? Have you seen this advertisement? It is JioMart and McDonald. Now, as you're aware, Jio has also started into grocery. How you came to know about this advertisement? With the help of social media, with the help of TV, newspaper, radio. So these are the medias of advertisement channel of communication. Now, what is advertising? The very beautiful definition given by American Marketing Association is advertising means any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods or service by an identified sponsor. So can you see the various brands on the screen? Visa, Cadbury, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Ford. All this company does the advertisement. Do the advertisement is done free of cost? No. So let's see what are the features of advertising. First very important feature is paid form. Advertiser has to pay to the advertising agency for making the ad. And if they want to show the advertisement, obviously how people will come to know about the product, about the service, only through advertisement. So they show the advertisement in the various medias like TV, newspaper, radio, internet, and they have to pay to the various media. For example, you're watching the advertisement of, say, Tata Sky on Sony Sub TV, Sony or Sub TV. Then they have to pay to that particular channel for showing the ads. Non-personal communication. If you remember those days, you can ask your parents where the salesman used to come to your house and they used to tell you about the product. Madam, this is a electronic device, these are the features and all that. So it was a face-to-face communication, one-to-one communication. And the salesman used to clarify whatever doubt you have about the product. Whereas advertising is not a face-to-face communication. It is a tool of mass communication. Mass communication means what? You are talking to a large number of audience at one time. Advertising is done for presentation and promotion. Now, like for example, Amazon. Amazon also has entered into diversify the business into a new area. So from electronic, they come into a grocery. Then they come up with the delivery of a day-to-day product. So how we come to know about the diversification, the new products in the market with the help of advertisement. So it is done for creating awareness. It is also done for promotion of the brand. And whenever they come up with a new promotional tool, for example 50% off, 20% off, how you came to know about the discount? Through email you receive, through YouTube, to various apps and advertisement in the various medias. Now when you do the advertisement, the advertiser does the advertisement. Do you see the advertisement of only goods, service or ideas? The answer is advertisement is done of all the three things: goods, service and ideas. Goods can be soap, toothpaste, AC, laptop, etc. Services include your banking, insurance, travel, tourism, financial product like your mutual fund, shares, and ideas. What do you mean by ideas? I asked this question 5 years ago to one of my students, and he told me, ma'am, idea means idea mobile phone. One said, ma'am, idea means coming up with a new idea. No, this is not ideas in advertising point of view. Your idea means anything which consists of social messages. Anything which consists of social message is called ideas. For example, save water, save tree, awareness of corona virus. So so what government has done, they have come up with the various advertisement, right? One of them, if you remember, Ajay Devgan, who are you? I'm your bodyguard. Then you wear a mask when you go out. All this precaution and awareness advertisement is a part of your ideas. A very important point, whenever you do the advertisement, how people will come to know which company with the which brand. So whenever you do the advertisement, you say the name of the brand. For example, you say LG TV, LG AC. So here you specify the name of the brand. You will not say advertisement of AC, you will specify the name of the brand, name of the company. Now in these slides you can see the few images of various goods. Just click on chat box what images you can see. All the fast moving consumer goods are a part of your goods. Your soap, shampoo, your tea powder, your honey, all this are your goods. Now services. What services includes? Just look into the slides and type in what can you see. Airlines, banks, insurance, investment in shares, your Motilal Oswal, Angel Broking, all provides your investment services. Now ideas. So read this. Okay, one, you have Jago Grahak Jago. Nicely they have pointed out the point to be taken care when you buy the product. And coronavirus advertisement by Health and Family Welfare. Just read it carefully, yeah? Because since coronavirus is going on, you should know these key points. Okay. And last, not the least, you can see one image. तुम मुझ में जल दो मैं तुम्हें जीवन दूंगा. This is about obviously proper making use of water. Very important and very cute girl. She's happy because she's going to school. So पढ़ेगा इंडिया तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. बेटी बचाओ. All these are part of your ideas. Girls' education. If you educate a man, you educate an individual. But if you educate a woman, you educate a nation. This kind of advertisement is also called idea. Now, other features of advertising. Whenever the company shows the advertisement, they don't just show the product name. They also highlight the special features of the product. Like nowadays you see it not just only removes the germs, not only kills but get a nice smell on your hands. Take the example of detergents. They come up with the advertisement. It looked like a new shirt. So all these are the highlighting of special features. They also specify the price and the benefit of the product. Next point, whenever you do the advertisement, just showing the ad is not important. You should motivate your buyers to buy the product. You should create a desire. That is what you call persuasion. What is persuasion? Creating desire for the consumer to buy the product. Finally go to the market and buy the product. So if I see the advertisement of Maggi new noodles, so the advertisement should be so attractive, so mind-blowing that the people should have the desire and they take an action of buying that product. Next point which you should keep in mind as an advertiser, whenever you advertise a product, you should keep in mind the target audience. For example, your target audience are kids. So you should come up with the product in an animated form. Take the example of Kinder Joy, chocolate with a toy. Whenever you are doing it for housewife, the advertisement should be different. So keeping in mind the target audience, you come up with the advertisement. Now my question is advertising art, science or profession? It is all the three. Now logically speaking, why we call advertising as an art? Art means anything which requires creativity. So to make a nice ad, you should be creative. That is why it is called art. Science means when you have to follow rules and regulation, principles. Similar way, when you make an ad, you should make an ethical ad, and you should follow the do's and don'ts, which are standard set by the organized body. It is also called profession because nowadays obviously you have an advertising agency, which is a profession. Advertising, one of the important, what are the 4 P's of marketing mix? Can anyone tell me? Product, price, place and promotion. So promotion, that 4 P's means one, that P, promotion, is a part of your advertising. Very important point. You know, your product gets sold in the market not only because of the properties of features. People cannot measure the property and features. They cannot see the features. So what you have to do to make your advertisement different from your competitor? Creativity. Without it, ad won't succeed, and therefore creativity is the essence of the advertising. You can say the soul of advertising. So your advertisement should be very creative, attractive. So I'll share few nice advertisement which are very creative. Have a look to this advertisement. Tu bees badi hai, must. Amul advertisement. Amul always comes up with a creative advertisement related to current issue. Next, kaho na pyaz hai. You remember that when the price of onion has touched the sky, that time they have come up with this advertisement. Then see the nice Cadbury, one of your favorite chocolate, Dairy Milk chocolate, has come up with the advertisement where they have made use of alien. Making use of animation is one of the way of creativity. Then Kinder Joy. See how nicely they have done the packaging. With the help of packaging also. And the image display they have done. One side chocolate and one side you will get they have shown the bike. They will get a free toy bike. So these are the way of stimulating the consumer to buy the product. Thank you very much. It was nice to interact with you. Take interest. Have a nice day.